So I'm recording this one. Okay.
Okay.
So what we need is, first thing, maybe you can see my screen also. So it will record a
Yeah.
video and you can see it.
Video. Yeah. Yeah.
Command line is what you need to get, and the options they are using to run that. Okay, when you say hello world program, they're running a hello world program, you said, right?
Yeah.
So
Hello World program. Not.
is it?
It's not a Hello World program. Is not a. It's not a program. Hello World isn't.
Okay, then.
It's other thing they were working on it. Like as I said, on Hello World machine. Like they taken a name on for that.
Okay, it's a
With
machine
CentOS,
name they have.
CentOS with Oracle 12C is called Hello World.
Okay, got you.
And other thing with Red Hat 12C is Walmart family.
Okay,
WMF, you will see that.
so this one they're
So that
calling Walmart.
family WFM.
Okay.
Okay. So in command line they have like 16 digit pin, which is unique for everything, every customer.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Right. So
we cannot do until we know command line and what the error, right?
yeah, we need to get that, because first we need to know that what they're trying to do. Okay. Maybe
Okay.
something is missing. So something which is there in CentOS, same way it is not configured in Red Hat, and maybe we are missing because of that. So until we
Okay.
run that command line, we don't know, right?
Okay. And how will I, like if I'm if you are a guy, you came here and got issues, like what you look logs issue, like it's all logs what there. So what we'll ask and what we will look into it.
So see, this one is looking different, because the reason being, you go for logs if they run something on, let's say there is a page, there is a var deployed, but this is not the case here, I think. So let's say
Okay.
there is a year or var deployed, okay, and someone is accessing that year and var link, okay, through your, so you have a link for it, and when you do something, so see, eventually it's a command line only which gets executed. So these guys will be testing this command line before packaging and then deploying on the WebLogic server. So mainly what they
Yeah.
do is, developers, what they do, they test their code first. Okay, they run those
Mhm.
command lines, everything is working. When it starts working, they will package it, they'll make it a package, something like var or year file, and once that package is being made, they will deploy it onto the WebLogic server. Okay, once it is deployed in the WebLogic server, then there will be a link created for it, and using that link, then client or everyone will start using it.
Okay.
Okay, so that's the thing. So this one, what you are saying to me, it looks like they are still, trying to test some piece of code, and they
Yeah.
are running WebLogic. So I would reckon that they are also using some other tools. Most probably they'll be using Ant, Maven, or something else.
Maven or and one of them they were using.
Yeah, so it should be one of them. The reason being, at this moment, they will be building it. So they are not actually deploying. Okay, so they are not deploying. They are building, and they are getting issues while trying to build it.
Okay.
So it's mainly a issue while building a code, which actually should be done by a developer who takes care of it, but they just need a hand on WebLogic side, considering they would not be finding what the issue is.
Right. Right.
Okay. So most of the time what happens, these developers also, they'll have some understanding on WebLogic, and then they will create these build.xmls, they'll create their codes and all. So
Mhm.
for now, what I see is it must be something to do with code which is being missed. In case code is same as what they said, CentOS, and it is working in CentOS and Red Hat not working. So it
Mhm.
should, when they run the command line, after that there should be some error coming in, and if they
Yeah.
have generated a log also, a customized log, it won't be server log at this time. So that is what need to be. So mainly we need to get everything what they're doing. So command line first, and we should be running it in our environment. Okay, so we'll have to see that it works. So
Okay.
until we run it, we don't know what is happening. So we need to do that. So command line is you need to get. So same command line, and maybe see when I say command line, not exactly the command line, they will have a source code as well.
Source code. Okay.
Okay. So because when they run command line, definitely they'll be using some code, piece of code from somewhere. So they would have stored in some version control tool or somewhere.
Okay.
So they
Okay.
will be running this command line on that source code, and most probably there will be build.xml if they're using ant or anything. So we need to see
How do
what
we
they're
check
trying to do.
ant or how do you check in by command line? Like, is it
See, the
what they're
command
using?
line itself, it tells you if the command line says and then options of ants, and then they're trying to run it, then it will be most probably ant. If they're running a
No,
maven,
it
then it
was
will be a
not the
maven.
command line.
See, it may also happen that
Mm-hmm.
probably ant or maven plugin is not added, so
Okay.
that command line is not
Ant,
getting executed.
ant or Maven plugin is not added.
Yeah, so it may not be functioning.
But as I'm saying, is it's a command line. Command line in sense. Mm,
See, it will be something like, let's say for example,
code.
maybe they are running like ant, okay, build, okay, and then they are using build.xml and then some source code, source, something like that. Let's say u001 slash sw slash, and then their code is inside, let's say test build. So maybe they are taking a code from here and trying to build code, and they're finding some issues. So I don't know, I'm just giving you an example.
It was something like code was something like Weblogic domain server and code was some word. It was shit. I forgot it. And
It
16-digit
will,
number.
then it will be something like maybe admin URL,
Mm-hmm.
then t3 colon slash slash, maybe localhost or maybe their IP, whatever they are using.
Right, right, right. Local host 7001. Yeah, the same one.
Yeah, okay, then it may be username.
Correct, correct, correct.
So something like that, no?
Yes, yes, yes. Weblogic slash uh, slash domain slash server, and if it is Walmart family, like that.
So you need to get that command line and we need to run that.
Okay. So what I'll do is, Dave, like tomorrow morning, shit. If I go tomorrow morning, also I will not have any machine, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like, uh,
But at least
if
you
I've
get,
got machine,
see, you get something on the mail or you write it somewhere on paper, just interact with them, try to get it, what they're doing. You just sit with them and say what you're trying to run. Let me see. Okay, and I'll try to test it on another environment. I'll try to replicate the issue. You just tell them that you want to replicate this issue. So
okay,
what all things should be set up before I run this code? So give me the piece of code you are trying to run. Is there any source you're using to run this? And I'll create one environment and I'll try to replicate in that environment. That is what you say. Okay. And
okay,
then
okay,
once you get this, we'll have a WebLogic environment and we'll try to deploy the same here. So once it's get deployed successfully,
okay,
we can compare what
okay,
they're missing and what if you are able to run it and they're not able to run it, then it must be something.
okay. So what happens is tomorrow morning I'll go, however, and they don't have, and will not having any machine or anything,
Okay, so
because
you
I'm also
you
here
cannot
and I'm
access
unable to.
those machines from
Yeah.
home.
Sorry?
You cannot access those machines from home, right?
From home, I cannot. I think once I get laptop, I can bring that, right? Even though if I get this Oracle WebLogic server credentials, I can come home and log in, right? With that credentials.
No, that depends. If they allow you on your laptop, then see, because it all depends upon if they have set up a firewall, they are not allowing it outside office, then you cannot.
Okay. So today I have wrote something like we are upgrading to 12C and HP Blades Generation 6 to Generation 9.
Okay.
We have Oracle Station, Weblogic, and Dialog Designer, which is Avaya,
Yeah.
and Voice Portal, Speed Server, and Data Power. This is all the scenario. I think I forwarded
Yeah,
you
you
this.
have forwarded me. So
Right, 1 second. Will I'll try to tell on that. 1 second. Oh, you are opening WhatsApp. Okay.
yeah, I'll just see it here so that I can see the screen.
So tomorrow evening, sorry, it will be for me. It will be 12:30. For you, it will be 10. Tomorrow. Today night. It's tomorrow. It's morning, right? For you.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Will you available today night 10 o'clock?
Uh, 10 o'clock. Oh, yeah, my time I'll be available.
Okay. And one more thing, Dave, if I get only desktop, I have to work in office only. I cannot come home and write. Come home at this time. I can just take some classes from you if it is
Yeah, so this is fine. So at that time, you will have to use email services or WhatsApp.
not sharing 10
Sharing
o'clock.
would be possible from my side. I don't know if you can take it from office, then it's okay. So for
I
me,
can like yeah, go to meeting works for me. I have seen like uh, as I said like 10 o'clock at your time, 10:30 night night for you, and it will be afternoon for me. So they will go for a break. He will go for lunch.
yeah.
Yeah, I can and office. See, let me give you a timings actually. What timings actually what happens is for me not from tomorrow, day after tomorrow morning 8 o'clock I will go to office. My colleague will come at 9:30 something. So
Okay.
for me 8 o'clock it seems like for you it's evening 6 o'clock.
Okay. Okay.
Evening 6 o'clock works, right? I'll go at 8 o'clock. Till then he comes, we'll work. Like I can give you sharing and you can show me and we can work.
Right. Right. Okay, that's fine.
After afterwards at again 1 hour that will be a mostly 1 hour. If anyone of sees that I'll just remove close the meeting and all. So again at 12:30 for me that will be a 9 for you actually 9:10. Again in the lunch time we can take the screen sharing and we can do in lunch time.
Okay, that is
तो क्या
fine.
क्या होगा कि ये सुबह जो 8 o'clock का मैं जल्दी जाके 1 घंटे पहले जाता हूँ ना वो तुम्हारे आपके साथ सीख के वो मैं लंच तक वही मेंटेन करता हूँ
ठीक है,
बाद में
चलिए।
लंच में गैप मिलेगा ना जब मैं आपको फिर डाउट्स जो भी प्रीवियस का वो 10 बजे 9 बजे के डाउट्स है तो वो लंच टाइम में पूछता हूँ वो 3 o'clock तक मेंटेन करता हूँ
ठीक है।
बाद में बाद में आई कैन सिट मेरा कोलिग 6 o'clock चले जाएगा मैं
हम्म।
6 o'clock से बैठ सकता हूँ इसमें ऑफिस में 6 to 8 बैठ सकता हूँ 6 बोले तो आपको अर्ली मॉर्निंग 4 होगा वो तो आपको वर्क नहीं होगा शायद राइट
हाँ, वो नहीं होगा।
आप आप ऐसा कर सकते हैं ना और एक लाइक आई विल सिट फ्रॉम 6 o'clock
हम्म।
there only after office till 8 o'clock 7:30 8 o'clock
ओके।
for you 8 o'clock will be morning 6 o'clock आप 6 o'clock उठते हैं ना like one hour right mostly
नहीं, 6 o'clock तो नहीं उठता हूँ, बट आई कैन सी 6 नहीं हो पाएगा क्योंकि 6 o'clock आई गेट अप एंड देन आई गो फॉर फ्रेशिंग अप। 6:30 फिर भी हो जाएगा।
6:30 बोले तो मुझे 8:30 तक बैठना पड़ेगा प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा they will ask me
नहीं तो ये
how about
मॉर्निंग
this like
मॉर्निंग
आप
में
try
व्हाट
कर
अबाउट
सकते
इन द मॉर्निंग, योर मॉर्निंग?
my morning yeah my morning we for you it's evening 6 right for
हाँ,
1 hour
हाँ।
and again 9 to 10 maybe lunchtime ये लंच टाइम का गारंटी नहीं दे सकते क्योंकि वो लंच में बैठेगा और कोई आएगा, बट विल टेक दैट। ओके, एंड वन मोर थिंग, ये 5:30 को उठने का है ना, जो आपको अर्ली मॉर्निंग है, जो मुझे इवनिंग है, वर्क ऑफिस के बाद सब सब चले जाते हैं ना, मैं बैठ सकता हूँ तब। तो व्हाट आई गिव इज आई जस्ट, वो आप क्रेडेंशियल्स लॉग इन कर दीजिए वर्क स्टेशन का, मेरा ऑफिस का डेस्कटॉप में मैं लॉग इन होके, आप भी लॉग इन होके, विल बोथ ज्वाइन। मैं घर को आ जाता हूँ,
ठीक है, ठीक है।
डेस्कटॉप बंद करके, मॉनिटर बंद करते घर को आ जाता हूँ। बाद में हम जैसे भी मैं घर को आ जाता हूँ, मैं मेरे लैपटॉप से ज्वाइन आता हूँ, तो हम दोनों मिलकर ऑफिस का डेस्कटॉप पर काम कर सकते हैं ना।
हाँ हाँ, ठीक है, ठीक है, चलेगा।
तो इसलिए इसलिए मैं 5:30, सॉरी 6 के बाद रुक के, आप आपके टाइम पे 5:30 एक बार आप उठ के ज्वाइन हो गए तो मैं भी ज्वाइन होके ऑफिस से निकल निकल जाता हूँ। जब आप उठते हैं ना, जैसे लाइक 7, मेरे टाइम में 9, we'll both sit here and take the office desktop screen, like however you will be in meeting. I will also join, come home and I'll also join. We can work.
ठीक है,
However,
ठीक
this.
है। यू सेंड मी द टाइमिंग्स, ओके, और लेट मी रीवैलिडेट द टाइमिंग, उसके बाद फिर देखते हैं।
Correct.
टाइमिंग भेज दो पहले।
Okay. I will
ठीक है,
send you.
तो ऑन एवरीडे बेसिस यू आर सेइंग विल हैव टू इंटरेक्ट 3 times।
Almost 3 times. Yeah.
ओके, ठीक है। And that will be half hour, like 30 minutes in the morning, you are saying?
Yeah. 8 to mostly 9. 8:39.
That is your time, you are saying?
Yeah, my time 8:30. 8,
Okay.
sorry.
8:30?
8. My time 8.
8 p.m. a.m.
AM morning.
8 a.m. 30 minutes. Okay. Then
Again in lunch.
tell me the
That
time.
will be your my timing 12 or 12:30.
Okay.
12 और 12:30 और 1, क्योंकि वो लंच को कब जाएगा ये पता नहीं है ना, इसलिए।
Okay.
ओके,
This will
एंड वन
be,
मोर थिंग,
this will again be 30 minutes.
30 or 30, this will be 30 minutes actually. The first one will be 1 hour, like 9 o'clock till 9 o'clock.
No, because this one, 6:30, if we can start, then I can take 1 hour. If we'll start by 7, then I won't be able to take 1 hour because 7:30 again, like in next 24 minutes, I have another session.
No, in my time it's 8 means it's 6 for you, right? You cannot take at 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock, no, little later than maybe 15-20 minutes difference.
No problem.
Okay, so I'll make it 1 hour. Okay, so this one.
Because this is also not sure, because I'll go at morning, I'll go morning 8 o'clock. If my colleague is not coming at 8:30, sometimes he will come at 8:30 and 9. Sometimes he come at 10 o'clock.
Okay, so we will see that, not an issue. Okay, so that
Yeah.
anyway will come to know in
This
few
is
days.
like for brief. Yeah.
Okay, and then you said one more timing. When is that?
In my timing, evening 6:30, 6,
And that will be 30
6:30.
minutes, 1 hour.
That will be like, as I said, you will just join, and getting up early morning, you will join. That's it. Then we will work on it later. Like
Okay.
whenever you will free morning.
Okay, so that
जैसे
is like,
मेरे टाइम पे 6:30 7 तक बैठता हूँ, ताकि आप उठ के लॉग इन कर देने के लिए मैं खाली ऑफिस में बैठता हूँ। आई विल नॉट डू एनीथिंग।
tell me the time.
बाद में लेटर ऑन इफ आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस, सॉरी,
Tell me the time for this.
व्हेनेवर यू गेट अर्ली मॉर्निंग, ज्वाइन होने के लिए आप कब उठेंगे? आप मेरे टाइम में 6 बोले तो आपके टाइम में 4 को उठे के ज्वाइन होके सो गए तो भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
4 को यार वो उस समय नींद ही नहीं उठ पाएगा, आई थिंक।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, वही 5 o'clock 5:30।
I'll do one thing.
हम्म।
What I can do is, can you do like whatever you want to show me, take it, record it, and then send me the link.
Recording, I didn't understand, like
See, anything
वीडियो निकाल
you
के,
have some
वीडियो निकाल।
desktop recording tool.
No, we don't have. I don't know. We will tomorrow what I will get.
Okay.
कौन से डेस्कटॉप टूल्स है जैसा रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए?
अरे फ्रीवेयर भी है यार, कुछ मिल जाएगा. You just do some searching what is available in
Okay.
United States, and then at least for trial version, because you will not be using it as a professional, तो
Correct.
वो क्या बोलते हैं, पर्सनल के लिए मिल जाता है.
अच्छा अच्छा. I'll try that. I'll try that. अगर this will is it possible like मैं आप उठे तक like 6 उठे तक, आपके टाइम में 6 बोले तो मैं 8 o'clock तक बैठ के आपको ये 8 o'clock आप एक बार 5:30 को उठ के जैसे लॉग इन हो जाते हैं ना मीटिंग में. मीटिंग में लॉग इन होने के बाद मैं ऑफिस छोड़ के चले गए तो मेरा मॉनिटर ऑफ हो गया तो वी कैन नॉट सी एनीथिंग राइट.
थिंक सो.
We cannot see anything. You cannot see actually. A person taking remote cannot see anything.
करेक्ट, क्योंकि वो ऑफ हो जाएगा.
प्रॉब्लम भी नहीं अगर
Or see what
सब
exactly you want to show there. See, you can also take snapshots if possible.
जस्ट ब्रीफ स्नैपशॉट्स बट आप तब लॉग्स नहीं देख सकते ना, लॉग निकाल के देख सकते नहीं
नहीं,
देख सकते
जो
ना.
भी सी whatever you want to miss want me to see, उसका snapshot लेके रख लो. या फिर you can also, if log है तो log तो you can send also. See, वो अगर अपना उसमें भी भेज दिया कहीं पे तो you can see it. See, error ही डालना है ना, तो error वेरर अगर कुछ है तो उसमें डाल सकते हैं.
ठीक है तो ऐसे ही करेंगे.
See,
सो
or also maybe it is possible then if you have a laptop or something, वो
या
like see for us what we do is in our office if there is a problem we can take things in hard disk also. I don't know whether it is allowed there or not. That is something you need to see.
नो आई डोंट थिंक.
So, but remote, I think they will give you remote for home. Maybe not be now, but after some time they should be giving it probably.
Correct because there is sometimes you can work from remote also. They'll because they are using TeamViewer, Skype and all.
So even if
People
you don't work, I think at least they'll give you a connectivity. Okay, so if they give you connectivity, you can connect from home.
yeah, I'll come home and we can see like जैसा रहता है ना Oracle Weblogic सर्वर Oracle का,
हाँ हाँ.
उसका दे दिया तो भी हम जाके चेक कर सकते हैं ना failed okay diagnostics there.
क्योंकि ये वाला what you quick meeting you're saying ना, this will be like quite early for me, तो वो हो नहीं पाएगा. The reason being I
Yeah,
sleep only by 12 o'clock or something. ठीक है.
correct.
मेरा
Yeah.
उधर में भी काम रहता है. एंड इट्स लाइक
अच्छा.
ऑफिस है, उसके बाद लाइक सी लाइक यू आई एम सपोर्टिंग अदर गाइज आल्सो ना.
Okay.
तो वो फिर आई हैव टू गिव टाइम टू एवरीवन. इसीलिए आई वाज लुकिंग फॉर योर टाइम स्लॉट. तो ये मॉर्निंग वाला ही आई एम फ्री. उसके बाद में उधर इवनिंग में आई कैन गिव यू 1 or 2 hours.
1 or 2 hours is fine.
हाँ.
मैं स्नैपशॉट्स निकाल के आता हूँ ऑफिस से घर को आके विल सिट लाइक फॉर मी इट्स 9 o'clock राइट जैसे आज का टाइम से 9:30.
हाँ, ये जैसा ये
एक
टाइम है
घंटा.
ये चलेगा. और ये वाला 30
हाँ
what you told is that is also okay. ये क्विक मीटिंग वाला it is like if you can arrange something and you should be able to arrange. I can tell you something. You try this one, Zoom.
या श्योर.
Okay, you try Zoom,
ओके
and most probably you should be able to record also.
ओके
Okay, तो वो ट्राई कर लो. and it is US का ही है, zoom.us और
ओके.
zoom.com also you can try. तो उसमें
सो
मिलता
विल कम होम एंड विल वर्क ऑन इट राइट
या
बिकॉज आज आज पता चल गया देव उसको मुझे कुछ भी नहीं आता बोल के जैसा उसको मैं एक्सपर्ट लेवल का नहीं हूँ बोल के और बाजू वालों को बोल रहा था विल ब्रिंग सम अदर रिसोर्सेस बोल के इसलिए मैं डर गया था.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा
मे
अच्छा
बी
अच्छा.
सम
So
अदर
one more
लाइक
thing,
एक और 2 दिन.
just check with them.
हाँ.
Are they looking for a administrate like web? They are looking for WebLogic admin, right? That is for sure.
Not admin actually, person with expert knowledge on WebLogic.
Okay, so what do they mean by WebLogic? Are they looking for a guy who can develop applications for WebLogic, or because see there is a difference. That's why I was asking you. Is it like they are looking for a development or admin? Because there is a difference.
Yeah.
Okay, these development guys, they will be developing stuff related to WebLogic. So there is WebLogic development, okay,
Right.
and then WebLogic admin is different. So I'm not sure what they are looking for. You get a clarity on that as well.
I see that most they want on Weblogic admin only because
See, if Weblogic admin, then everything is fine. Considering whatever issues comes in, that can be resolved for you, no problem at all. So you don't
okay.
worry about any issues coming in. We can see that and we can get it done.
So
Okay.
I will जैसा मैं उसके साथ कल बात करता हूँ. You tell me what's the issue. I'll figure it out and I'll do at the end of the day or tomorrow बोल के बोलता हूँ मैं कैसे भी उसके साथ बात करके मैनेज करना पड़ेगा अब.
हाँ ठीक है, वो कर लो। वो बंदा कहाँ का है?
वो बंदा अमेरिका का ही है.
अच्छा अच्छा,
सब
इसलिए।
मेरे टीम में सब ठीक है. ये अकेला बंदा मेरा जो पास बैठता है वो 13 इयर्स का वही अग्रेसिव है. उसको तो मैं बोल दिया मैं मुझे
लीड क्या
लिनक्स
है
बोल
यार?
के लेके आया. लॉजिक का
लीड।
थोड़ा नॉलेज है बोल. हाँ
अच्छा अच्छा, इसीलिए। ओके ठीक है, कोई नहीं। देन इट मे बी एडमिन रिक्वायरमेंट ओनली, मे बी कुछ इश्यू आ रहा होगा, वो देखते हैं। लेकिन फर्स्ट यू नीड टू गेट इट कि क्या है, क्या वो चाहिए। ठीक है।
ठीक है. कैन वी टेक लाइक एक 30 मिनट्स का जैसा आप बोल सकते हो ओरेकल वेब लॉजिक क्या है 12C इम्प्लीमेंट इंस्टॉलेशन में क्या रहता है
हाँ हाँ, वो हो
अपना.
जाएगा। सी, आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू दैट, ऑल दैट। ओके, नॉट एन इशू।
या
तो वो चल जाएगा। ठीक है। तो ये टाइमिंग है, आई मेड अ नोट ऑफ इट।
या let me also take that. For me it's morning 8 o'clock AM and again ये भी श्योर नहीं है लंच का टाइम का श्योर नहीं है मे बी लाइक इफ आई गेट टाइम I'll ask you if not I just call you and ask problems.
Okay, so for what I'll do is I'll set up this training and support program for you. Okay, so support will be whenever you need it,
Okay.
and training will be on
Training is
regular basis. Like you already have this time, 8 a.m. Is what you are comfortable with. No, it's 8 a.m. or 8 p.m.
8 a.m. for me morning. For me it is
Okay, so like we connected today. What is the time now for you?
9:45. For now it's 9:45 p.m.
So you'll be connecting every day at the same time, no? No.
If you make it, yeah, if you make it a bit early, like 9 o'clock for my time,
Yeah, so we
that's also
connected before only, right? We connected around 6:30.
for you. It's 6:30.
No, now it is 7:16, but we connected 1 hour before, like close to before, not 1 hour, 45 minutes before.
45. 9 o'clock for me. Works. 9 o'clock. 9 से 12 तक भी बैठ के पढ़ लेता हूँ थोड़ी दिन ये समझ में आने तक. 9 to 12 भी बैठ के पढ़ता हूँ आपके साथ. 9 to 10 और 11 क्लास लेता हूँ बाद में थोड़ी देर पढ़ के सो जाता हूँ.
So see, this is 9 p.m. for you, okay?
Yeah.
1 hour if it is, then it is 9 p.m.
Mm-hmm.
रहेगा। ठीक है, तो this will be your training.
9 to 10:30 और 11. Okay.
नहीं, 9 to 10 होगा, क्योंकि again 10 o'clock I'll be having another class for
It's
WebLogic.
my timing, right? It's EST, right? 9 p.m.
हाँ हाँ, EST बोल रहा हूँ।
Okay, 10 p.m. 9 to 10. Okay.
ठीक है, the reason being like again in 30 minutes I have another session starting.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
9 to 10. Fine.
then
Okay.
support. ठीक है, तो I'll share you the details for this, and meanwhile you get that what all is required. ठीक है,
Okay.
चलो।
So, will you tell me now or you will email the amount and all? Amount के बारे में.
हाँ, वो मैं भेजता हूँ। आई हैव योर ईमेल नाउ, तो वो भेज देता हूँ। ठीक है,
ठीक है.
I'll send you that. और ये क्या
आप कैसे लेते हैं? हावर के हिसाब से लेते हैं या कंप्लीट मंथ को लेते हैं ऐसा?
दैट व्हाट आई वाज आस्किंग। अगर ट्रेनिंग रहता है तो इट गोज ऑन क्लासेस, ठीक है। सपोर्ट रहता
हम्म.
है तो इट इज बेस्ड ऑन आवर्स।
ओके.
ठीक है।
जब सपोर्ट देते वक्त ये ट्रेन भी करते हैं ना लाइक दिस इज द इशू मदन जस्ट टेल दिस वन बोल के.
नहीं, सो दैट विल कम एज अ पार्ट ऑफ सपोर्ट ओनली, तो वो चल जाएगा। उतना मतलब उतना डीप
मुझे
लेवल पे नहीं
मुझे
जाते हैं।
उतना उतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं है डेव जैसा सपोर्ट को ये वो प्रॉब्लम है जैसा मुझे ये इश्यूज हेल्प करिए सपोर्ट दीजिए ट्रेनिंग थोड़ा दीजिए और अमाउंट के बारे में इट्स ओके व्हाट एवर इट इज.
ठीक है ठीक
क्योंकि
है। हम्म।
मुझे तो पहले जॉब स्टैंड करना है ना.
करेक्ट करेक्ट करेक्ट,
स्टैंड.
दैट्स फाइन।
तो हम मुझे जस्ट हेल्प मी इन स्टेइंग इन जॉब दैट्स इट.
नहीं वही करना है. See, I think you got a reference from Mohan, right? I think he was also struggling with something. उसका भी जॉब का
Yeah,
कुछ तो आ गया था, तो then finally he achieved
he's,
it.
he's fine now. He's fine now. Like from 2 days, I'm not at all eating properly. I'm just Oracle Weblogic, Oracle Weblogic, Oracle Weblogic. मैं
Don't
ही पढ़ रहा हूँ ये.
don't worry about that, yeah. It will be done. So not an issue. Okay, so yeah, tell me this, like you are working, you were already working with some company or how's it?
Where now?
Yeah, so before this you must be working somewhere, na?
I was I'm master's student. Like I did my masters here.
Okay, okay.
इंडिया में काम किया था मैंने. इंडिया में काम किया था. वो नेटवर्क सिक्योरिटी था मेरा. सॉक टीम था मैं.
ओके ओके ओके, ठीक है ठीक है.
फॉर 2 years. बाद में इधर आके मास्टर्स किया. मास्टर्स के बाद कंसल्टेंसी ज्वाइन हुआ तो ये ट्रेनिंग दिए थे. जैसा लाइनेक्स ट्रेनिंग दिए थे. लाइनेक्स यूनिक्स ये ट्रेनिंग कर रहे थे. ये मार्केटिंग होते टाइम में मैंने थोड़ा सोलारिस ये वो पढ़ रहा था. लाइनेक्स पढ़ रहा था थोड़ा.
ओके.
ये इंटरव्यू भी मैंने लिया था. ये वेंडर इंटरव्यू लिया दिया था.
हम्म.
जैसा इमीडिएट हायर ये वो बोल के.
ओके, सो इट इज लाइक आफ्टर मास्टर्स यू हैव गॉट दिस जॉब, तो उसमें इन लोगों ने वेबलॉजिक में डाल दिया.
हाँ वेबलॉजिक में डाल दिया. आप एक बार मेरा स्क्रीन शेयर करो.
हम्म.
Will you give access?
So master में like consultancy sponsored you or the company sponsored you? How it was?
No masters. मास्टर्स मैं मेरा ओन किया ना.
नहीं नहीं, मास्टर तो यू डिड ऑन, लेकिन उसके बाद कुछ लाइक H1B स्पॉन्सर हुआ होगा ना, कि कैसा?
नहीं H1B मैं अगर मार्च में प्रोजेक्ट में हूँ तो H1B डालते हैं लोग. नहीं तो नहीं डालते.
ओके 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 ओके. तो
तब मैं प्रोजेक्ट में नहीं था. आई वाज सर्चिंग फॉर जॉब्स.
ओके, मास्टर के बाद
एक
में.
हाँ मैं इसका मेल दिखाता हूँ.
No, so mainly what I was asking is masters के बाद में then how you got the job, through consultancy, through company, or like what
थ्रू
you did?
कंसल्टेंसी. थ्रू कंसल्टेंसी.
Okay, so masters के बाद you connected to one of the consultancy.
राइट. वो लोग आप हम अकोमोडेशन दे के ट्रेनिंग दिए थे. वो लाइनेक्स का ट्रेनिंग बोल के 1 ही महीना था हुआ था. वो भी ऐसा ऐसा बोल दिया. तब हमें भी कुछ भी नहीं गया. सिर में नहीं गया वो लाइनेक्स का. तो
ओके ओके.
बाद में मार्केटिंग स्टार्ट कर रहे थे. मार्केटिंग कॉल्स रहते जैसा फेक रेज्यूमे रख के 7 years 5 years रख के.
हाँ हाँ.
ये लोग बोल देते एवरीथिंग. ही नोज दिस. या ही नोस एवरीथिंग. या ही नोस एवरीथिंग जैसा मुझे भेजिए ना ऐसा.
ओके ओके, समझ गया. हाँ, that happens in US. Yeah, I know that. We
दिस इज
also have interviewed many profiles. No, AWS का time पे when we were interviewing, we are getting all these profiles from consultancy.
इधर देखिए जॉब पोजीशन. सीनियर लाइनेक्स एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर फ्लोरिडा मियामी 3 months कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. फोन एंड स्काइप. रेड हैट. ओरेकल वेबलॉजिक. ओरेकल एसओए. आईवीआर प्लेटफॉर्म.
Okay okay.
ये बोले ये they said that they want Oracle WebLogic and Oracle SAO, but see the position senior Linux administrator, but see the main thing they want Red Hat, right? ये बोल सकता हूँ मैं उनको. Like
Correct.
if they saying वो मुझे कुछ बोल रहे हैं तो मैं भी बोल सकता हूँ. You said senior administrator with Linux and some knowledge on WebLogic and Oracle. ये बोल के बोलता हूँ मैं उनको.
ठीक है
अगर वो ज्यादा पूछे तो.
ठीक है, चलो चलेगा, नो प्रॉब्लम. वो डिटेल ले लो एंड देन विल सी. अच्छा, ये
Okay.
एक चीज बताओ मुझे, ये अभी यू आर इन H1B ना?
I'm in OPT right now.
ओके ओके ओके, यू आर इन OPT. सो OPT हाउ लॉन्ग यू कैन टेक इट?
3 years. फर्स्ट पहले 1 साल देंगे. बाद में अगर कॉलेज अक्रीडेशन है तो 2 साल एक्सटेंड करेंगे. नहीं तो नहीं.
कॉलेज एक्रेडिटेशन है मतलब कैसा?
उसका कुछ अक्रीडेशन प्रोसेस यूएस में कॉलेज का रहता है. कुछ अक्रीडेटेड है कुछ नहीं अक्रीडेटेड है जैसा. अब मेरा 50-50 चांसेस है मेरा यूनिवर्सिटी का. अगर इनको अक्रीडेशन मिल गया तो मुझे एक्सटेंशन होगा सितंबर में. नहीं तो नहीं होगा.
ओके,
अगर फिर
तो
ज्वाइन करना
OPT
पड़ेगा.
OPT you can stay for 3 years, you are saying,
या
after your masters.
या
And master you did for like 1 year, 2 year?
1.5 year.
1.5 year.
या
ठीक है ठीक है.
Can we start this Weblogic?
Which one? I already made you a presenter. You wanted to show something.
No. आप start करिए.
नहीं तो अभी I'll connect to other session now. We'll keep it here till only till here for today. ठीक है, कल
Oh,
let's connect it. ठीक है, तो कल I'll tell you. So I was just trying to understand issue. I thought you are ready with it. तो उसको देखते हैं. तो कल से स्टार्ट करते हैं इसको फिर, ठीक है?
और एक बात, मेरे टाइम पे सुबह 8 o'clock बोला ना मैंने.
हाँ
मैं कल सुबह जाता हूँ ना 9, मे बी नॉट 8, 9 o'clock. आपको 9-10 को, मेरे टाइम में 10 बोले तो आपके टाइम पे शाम 7 मैं फोटोज निकाल के भेज सकता हूँ आपको, तब आप रिप्लाई मारेंगे उसको, सो दैट आई कैन टेल लाइक आई नो ओके गो दिस गो दैट बोल के.
ठीक है, you do one thing today. You send me a mail confirming all your timings and everything. ठीक है,
ओके.
और वो
हाँ.
हिसाब से आई विल सी माई टाइम व्हाट इट इज. ओके, माई शेड्यूल, और उस हिसाब से मैं कंफर्म करता हूँ. ठीक है, देन लेट्स गो अहेड.
या अभी बात कर रहे थे ना मॉर्निंग 8, मेरे टाइम पे 8 o'clock बोल के.
हाँ हाँ, वो
कल
मैंने
एक दिन मेरे पास
दैट आई हैव
लैपटॉप नहीं
रिकॉर्डेड
है बोल.
ऑलरेडी. ठीक है,
या. हाँ.
बट जस्ट इन केस इफ यू हैव टू चेक फॉर योर टाइमिंग्स, क्रॉस चेक, तो क्रॉस चेक कर लो. अदरवाइज बेस्ड ऑन दिस टाइमिंग आई विल रिप्लाई एनीवेज. ठीक है, चलो
Based on my timing 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock, and again afternoon 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock, and in evening my timing 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, right?
ठीक है, विल सी दैट. या
Yeah.
चलो, I'll connect you
Yes.
tomorrow. ठीक है.
Yeah. Tomorrow morning for me, evening for tomorrow for you.
या ओके.